tour of my room. Got my TV. I love my TV. HD. My CD player. It's so loud. One of the speakers. The subwoofer. The other speaker. And come over here to my wall of posters. I don't know if I can get back far enough, but I got them posters. Them posters. That poster. That poster. My shelf of trophies. My broken skateboard. One of my windows. My other window. My grandpa's flag. My closet door. My air conditioner. My bed. Cough cough. My dresser. And my big comfy chair. And that's basically my room. And we have this light right here. Not sure how it goes on. Well, I remember, but I forget. There we go. And that's my room.